Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mike's is on. Welcome back to another day of Vlogtober. I just got back from the gym. Come on, focus, focus. Yes. Hope you guys can see my new hairstyle. We are now fully in the new era. I've changed my nails. I've changed my toes. I've also now changed my hair. So tuko kipindi chalala salama. This is what tunaita kipindi chalala salama. So welcome back to Vlogtober. I have really taken you on this roller coaster. It's been both an emotional roller coaster. What else? Mostly emotional roller coaster, really. So right now, I want to do a quick unboxing. I hope actually you've watched today's video. Today's video is welcome to phase 2. I'm calling it 29 lessons since 29. Part 1. I'm gonna be filming part 2 probably tomorrow or something. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. I've already prepared for it. So usiwe na hofu wala shaka, it's coming to a screen near you. Now, let me get straight into the unboxing, but please guys, make sure you've watched that video. Make sure you like that video, particularly because I really enjoy doing sit down videos and I want to know if this kind of content resonates. So please go and watch that video and tell me which point resonates with you the most. Now, straight into the unboxing. I was at the original baby girl's house on Monday, my mom's house. Not really my mom's house, but my mom's shop. And of course, I never go to my mom's place without coming back with goodies. As you can see, amenipatia hair bands. On top of these hair bands, alinipatia hair bands zingine. Hold on, let me just pin the mic over here so that I can move around easier. This is all the stuff I got, plus this, plus, okay, let's start with this. This is the Sunlight, the specific one for washing machines, and it's expensive AF. So my mom just calls me out of the blue, like, I got you the Sunlight for washing machine. Since now you're grown so much and you decided to buy a washing machine, here is Sunlight for washing machine. When you buy washing machine, well, upangagi ile sabuni ya washing machine is part of the cost. Me, honestly, I use the normal soap and it cleans. But now my mom has felt it's important to upgrade me to my actual, where I need to be. So she got me this. This will last me couple of months, to be honest, while I put together money to remain on that level, because my mom knows I was created for great things. I was not created to play small. Do you understand? Yes. So that's the first thing I get from my mom's house. Now, let me open this. I hope my audio is not shaky because nashinda nikishikashika hapo hivyo juu. I hope hayaribu audio. Yeah, so let's get into this. Of course, primary things I want from my mom's shop is skincare products, and she never disappoints. So acha tuanze na hair products. Naona ndio ziko juu. I got a bunch of hair bands, the pigtails. This one's nakujanga na ka pack. How many of them are there? 1 2 3 4 5 plus this one 6. I have 6 of them, and then I have this big hair band, because you can see my hair right now will require some time from time to time. Actually, naonekana fuck up my audio. Let me just hold it. Yeah, so hair ties for my hair, because I told her I'll be doing my hair vikaribuni. Then I got the Bamsi waxing gel for my edges, and then hair products zingine ziko kweli. Yeah, we have this TCB, actually it's olive oil spray ya Shein, yeah, TCB. This is the one I usually use, and most of the times I just restock it from my mom's place. You guys should get this also from my mom's place. She sells them at very good prices. If you're interested, let me know. I'll send them to you. Yeah. Moving on, let's get into, is there any other thing ya nywele? If we come across vitu za nywele, we'll show you again. Let's get into skincare. Of course, I got the Garnier Vitamin C Serum. That's my go-to. I did a video yesterday also updating my skincare routine, coming to a screen near you. You're welcome. I also got the Nourishing Baby Oil. She says I should pucker this on my legs so that they're shiny. I'm gonna do just that. And then she gave me this is called the Fiancé Fine Fragrance Body Mist. This one for my purse, and mostly when I'm going to the gym or when I'm out of the gym, to just kurushia hapo ndio nisinuke sweat. Bayo is here. Say hi. Highs. Higher shower gel. I got a new shower gel, and then it came with the lotion. So now we are having like 10 shower gels. Huko hivyo. And then we got the coffee scrub. Vio was yelling about this. Everybody on TikTok is talking about this. No? Just you? Okay, I just thought it's all the Gen Zs are now talking about this because when Vio says something, I just take it as Gen Zs have said this. So Vio was like, this is really good. And my mom also said this is really good. So yeah. Yeah, inanuka poa. I tried it yesterday. I tried it. Yeah, inanuka like it smells like coffee. Like una walk around. Like it's very strong. I tried it yesterday because I meant to do this unboxing yesterday, but like I didn't end up doing it. So yeah. Then I got the conditioner. Yeah, slap. Yeah, conditioner ya nywele. And then I also got shampoo. Where's shampoo? So I got shampoo.
Ooh, baby oil.
Yeah, Lisama baby oil is really good for the legs. Yeah, so that's shampoo. Oh, this is shampoo. And this is conditioner. So yeah, that is part of hair products zenye sikuwa nimemention. Outside of that, then what is this? Hata hii sikuwa najua amenipea. This is no najua. Oh, you need treatment. Yeah, alinipea treatment. Yeah, alinipea treatment because I had open hair for a while there. That's a lot of hair care products. And then she also gave me this clip ya nywele. It's so cute. Yeah, she gave me this clip ya nywele. Oh, more hair products. I got this. You guys remember when I went to Coral Studio? Shout outs to Coral Studio, Wamboi. She gave me this together with the wig that I've been applying. So this is what I apply on my wigs to make sure they're fresh. And then, what is this? Oh, this is scalp oil. I think actually I got a lot of hair products than zenye nilikuwa nasema. I got 2 scalp oils. Kwani alinipea Vayo moja ni yako. Scalp oil. Because I'm like, why do I have 2 scalp oils? Moja ilikuwa yako, I think. And then I got 2 earrings. Mwambie Vayo toboe maskio. Because me, I don't understand what's happening. Like, as a 19-year-old woman, why do you not toboe your maskio? Toboe maskio. I have earrings ready for you. Haya. And then tuko na shower gel. Oh, alitupa shower gel ingine. We have another shower gel. Yet another shower gel to the collection. And then... yeah. And then, alinipatia spray ya Saturday because this is my favorite one, the Saturday one. It smells magnificent. Yeah. And then pads, of course, pads. So we got a lot of pads because there's me and Vio. So, yeah. That's our haul. What else? Wait. She also gave me an umbrella. So my mom gets a lot of PR packages from Nivea. So she gave me this umbrella she was given by Nivea. And then she also gave me this pouch, also she was given by Nivea, and a scarf. So I got PR from Nivea. That's how I'm looking at it. Nivea, please sponsor this video. Me and my mom need this. Okay, we want the money. We need the money. Please just sponsor this video. Yeah. What else? Of course, she gave me some lip glosses. We are back. I like this lip gloss because it's colored. Inacha that red tint on your lips, and I really like that. And then, that's about it for what I got from my mom. My business cards have come out. Guys, we have the corporate chic business cards, and I'll be going for an event where I'll be handing it out. This is what it looks like. This is my business card. On the front it says, please focus. Yeah, this is the logo. And then on the front it says, the corporate chic, curating for your pride. Yeah. And then on the back it says, this is the back. On the back, it has my work number. It has my email, maria@thecorporatechic.com. And it has the website and the location. And then it has Marie. And then it says CEO. Period. I'm a CEO. All right? Yeah, ask about me. Yeah, so, yeah, make sure if you want to plan something like a birthday at a destination, like a destination proposal, a destination birthday, a destination get together, a destination bridal shower, a destination anything, a destination relaxation, you call me. The CEO of my company is called Chic Bespoke. All right. So Chic Bespoke will be organizing for you. The brand is the Corporate Chic, but the company that I've registered is called Chic Bespoke Creations, because we'll be creating journeys for your pride. Yeah, give me A. I feel like I'm cheering now. Yeah, the reason you need to book with us is because every milestone deserves a destination. You need to travel. You need to travel. Traveling just allows you to be free in a new way. Yeah, so go and experience a new era. Start your new era in a new place and then bring it back home and tell people, when I went to the Maldives, I decided that I was going to do this, this, and that. When I went to I got engaged, I got proposed to in Seychelles. Guys, I'm ready for your business. I will curate. You guys have seen me curating proposals. I've now done 2 proposals. I did one in Feb, I did one in October. That is coming to a screen near you. You guys, I'm telling you, when you see how that proposal turned out, you'll be calling me, Marie. I've not found the man yet, but let's start planning the proposal, because you need to prepare before you're ready. Start preparing before you're ready. You can even just start telling me what you want about your proposal. Yo, ukipata huyo msee, like me, I already know what we need to do. So, we are just going with the flow. Girl, like, you deserve the best proposal. Has any one of you watched Mommy's Club? Did you see what this guy did on Mommy's Club? That proposal he did. Me, I would say no to that proposal. Like, that girl was on her money, because how do you set up a proposal kando ya barabara? Umekapo ati chai na chemka. Bro, let's have decorum. Let's be serious. The girls deserve the best. So, call Chic Bespoke Creations for your milestone adventures. That being said, I'm going to love you and leave you. I'll see you tomorrow for sure. Make sure you subscribe. And if you want to reach me, I've added my contact and my email on my Instagram bio. So, or you can just DM me. You can just DM me and tell me what you're looking for, and I'll give you just that. All right. See you tomorrow. Love you. Mean it.